In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a custom invoice on Shopify. Sending a custom invoice is really useful when you want to bill a customer directly, maybe for a special order, a manual order taken over the phone, or a customized product that isn't part of your normal checkout flow. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along inside your own Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the Orders section. Go ahead and click on Orders. This will open a list of all your existing orders. To create a brand new order for this custom invoice, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the Create Order button. This is where you'll build the order that you're going to invoice your customer for. Next, you'll add the products you want to include on this invoice. In the main area of the page, find the card labeled Products. On that card, click the Browse button. A pop-up window will appear showing the products available in your store. From here, select the product or products you want to include in this order. Take a moment to double-check quantities and variants, like size or color, if that applies. When you're ready, click Add at the bottom right of the pop-up to insert those items into your draft order. Now that the products are in place, you need to assign this order to the right customer. Look over to the left sidebar and find the card labeled Customer. Here, you can either search for an existing customer from your database or enter a new customer's details. Make sure the email address is correct, because that's where the invoice will be sent. Once the customer is selected, look back to the center of the page for the payment card. At the bottom right of the section, you'll see a button that says Send Invoice. Click this button. Shopify will create the draft order, and you may need to wait a brief moment for it to process. After that, a pop-up window will appear with your invoice details. In this pop-up, you can customize the email your customer will receive. Start by editing the subject line so it clearly explains what the invoice is for. Then, add a custom message in the message field. You might write something like, "Here's your invoice for the items you requested. Please review the details and complete payment using the link below." Let us know if you have any questions. Feel free to adapt this to your brand's tone, but keep it clear and professional. When you're happy with the message, click Review Invoice at the bottom right of the pop-up. This will show you a preview of exactly what your customer will see, including the order summary and the payment link. Take a moment to confirm that the products, prices, and customer information are all correct. If everything looks good, you're ready to send it. Click the Send Invoice button at the bottom right of the pop-up. Shopify will email the invoice to your customer, and they'll be able to pay securely using the payment methods you've set up in your store. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created an order and sent a custom invoice on Shopify.